The course offers boys and girls the opportunity to learn how to manufacture goods cost effectively and efficiently. During the course, students will work with a variety of materials with a focus on wood. Concepts include measurement, safety, and manufacturing strategies that use a variety of tools and machines to efficiently produce products.
This is a great class if you enjoy working with your hands. Students will gain a great deal of confidence in their abilities to try things on their own, problem solve as a team, and working in groups to reach a goal. Class projects in class include cribbage boards and a clock tower.
I do enjoy this class. It is very hands-on and I like all of the different projects we get at school.